This video is sponsored by Surfshark VPN. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to surf the web without a trace. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on a crucial feature on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus so you can prevent your phone from ever being lost or being stolen, which is not a very good feeling. So I'm going to show you how to protect your investment and never lose your phone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the settings, all right? And then when you're in the settings, you want to go down to your biometrics and security. And from here, you want to look for Find My Mobile setting. You go right inside and you want to make sure this is in fact enabled. Now, basically what Find My Mobile does is it locates and allows you to control your phone remotely if it's lost or stolen, so you can in fact locate your phone. It is essential that you have a Samsung account before you set up this feature. So once you turn on, you want to make sure that you have a Samsung account and you have actually logged in to Find My Mobile with your Samsung account. Without the Samsung account, you're not going to be able to track and locate your phone if it is lost or stolen. And once you have done that, what you want to do is you can go to this website here, which is going to give you a control panel to actually track and locate that phone. Now, what I'm going to do is when you lose your phone, you're not going to have access to the phone. So you're not going to be able to go to findmymobile.samsung.com on the phone, obviously. But you can go to this website using a friend's phone or, in fact, a laptop. I'm going to use this phone just as an example so you can see the amazing control panel you get even if your phone was lost. So let's click on this one right here. It's going to go to findmymobile.samsung.com and it's going to ask you to sign in. And this is why you need the Samsung account. So when you click on this one, you just pop your email and your password and you click sign in. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on sign in and there we go. The whole thing is loading up. And the very first thing you're going to see over here that I did blur out is the exact location of the phone. It's going to show it to you on a map with pinpoint accuracy, okay? And here we do have a status. So it says network status online, remote controls on, and it says last location updated October 10th, 5:23 p.m. Now, here's all the options that you have with the phone, even when the phone is lost or stolen. So the biggest thing is you can click on track the location, and that's going to allow you to track the location of your phone. And like I said, it's going to be with pinpoint accuracy. It's going to give you a needle that's going to drop on the map, and you can actually Google map that to get the exact location. The other thing you can do is, let's say you actually went to the location where the phone was lost, but you can't find it because maybe it is sitting under a desk, maybe it's under a chair. Maybe what you do is you tap on ring, and what happens is that's going to ring your phone at maximum volume for 1 minute, even if the voice is disabled, even if your phone is set to vibrate or whatever. So you click on ring and it's going to start ringing. Again, I'm assuming you'll be using a friend's phone or a secondary phone as you're using this option. Or like I said, you can use an iPad, you can use a Galaxy Tab, you can use a laptop, whatever. You just go to findmymobile.com and samsung.com, all right? And again, let's say you cannot find your phone and you're concerned that the person that finds the phone is going to actually perhaps log into it and try to get some data off of it. Nobody wants their privacy violated, so you can actually tap on this one, and this is going to actually erase the entire phone. So it's going to factory data reset, and it's going to clear the Samsung Pay options. So you can tap on erase, and it's going to get rid of everything on the phone. So hopefully you have a backup if you're going to do something like that. And as you can see here on the picture, it even shows you the battery percentage left on the phone. It says 50% battery left, and as you can see, it's 49%, so it's very close to each other. And of course, you've got options like retrieve calls and messages. You have the option to unlock your phone, and one of my favorites, you have the option to extend the battery life. So if your phone is lost and maybe it's too far away and you're trying to track it, there's always a chance the battery is going to die. Let's say this was at 5%. If the battery of the phone dies, you're not going to be able to track it. The phone has to be on. So you can tap on extend the battery life, click on extend, and that's going to extend the battery life of your phone, and then you can make sure that it stays on until you get to it. All right, so that's findmymobile.samsung.com, and you do want to make sure you go to the setting that I just talked about under biometrics and security and turn this on. Alright, so make sure that option is enabled. And if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and make sure you have a Samsung account to use it. So real quick guys, this video is sponsored by Surfshark VPN, which allows you to add an encrypted layer of security to your online browsing activity. Without a VPN service, everything you do online is potentially being tracked and monitored, which is a privacy violation and a dangerous situation. With Surfshark VPN, you become untrackable and unhackable. Now, making you invisible is in fact the primary benefit, but a VPN by its very nature also unblocks regional blocked content by making it look like you're browsing from the country in which that content is originally available from. Basically, you can pretend to be in any country using the control panel on Surfshark. So you'll never see messages like these when you're trying to watch a video. And all the while, you're completely secure under a military-grade encryption. And of course, I did partner with Surfshark VPN to get you an awesome deal. So go to surfshark.deals/SAKITECH to get a massive 84% off plus 1 month free. And of course, you've got nothing to lose because you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link surfshark.deals/SAKITECH, which is linked down below. It's time to become a ghost. All right.